I've got my example table of data here, and let's say on this spreadsheet, we have the grid lines turned off by default, and all of a sudden there's a bit less structure here. At a glance, it's a bit more difficult to see which data is in each row. So one way to help with this is to select everything and then go and add borders to it. By default, it will add a black border, and you can change the thickness and the color as well. But this obviously does help with structuring where the data actually is. If I undo it, another great and super easy technique is to select everything again, go to Format, and then Alternating Colors. And it does pretty much what it says on the tin. It adds alternating colors so that it's easier to keep track of data in different rows by looking at the color behind it. If you've seen this in other spreadsheets, you might assume that you have to manually add in the colors per row, but no, this can be done automatically with this feature. And as you can see, you have full control over customizing the color scheme as well. So this should really help with organizing your data.